This 2016 Cruiser RV Stryker ST2912 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Cruiser RV is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, oven, slide-out, external shower, refrigerator, leveling jacks, LP detector, DVD player, skylight, stovetop burner, awning, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, front kitchen, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Cruiser RV Stryker ST2912 is 7,768 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.